A walk up the hills of this Mexican forest leads you to a special place with some special inhabitants who live for movement.
A lot of them choose this forest because we are here in a southwest slope. So the wind hit in the other side of the mountains, and the microclimate here is the best for the overwintering of the monarchs.
This protected area in central Mexico is where monarch butterflies live during the winter months. Something about these grounds have attracted them here for decades. Huddled together, millions of the butterflies cover the trees like leaves to brave the cool temperatures. When the sun comes out and warms this side of the mountain, the monarchs come out too. But the monarchs' journey to get here is what makes them unique.
It's the only species of animal that we know of that has a multi-generational migration. And that's why this is so different from other migrating organisms.
The monarch butterflies have a yearly migration cycle that takes 4 generations to complete. Typically, they live 4 to 5 weeks, but every year, a special generation is born in Canada and northern parts of the United States that live up to 8 months. They are called the Methuselah generation, and they make the 4,000 to 5,000 kilometer journey to their winter home in central Mexico.
The long-lived generation arrives in Mexico at the beginning of November and stays here until the end of March. That generation mates at the end of March and goes back to the United States to find milkweed plants to lay their eggs on. And that is the first generation that is born in the United States. The 4th generation is the one that comes back to Mexico. So the mystery is how monarch butterflies that have never been here in Mexico are able to find the same exact spot where their great-grandparents were.
Many believe the butterflies use the sun to guide them along their route. Others say evidence suggests they are also genetically equipped with a magnetic compass to help them navigate the 2-month-long journey. But no one's sure what it is about the 13,000-hectare area in Mexico that makes it their preferred destination. That mystery contributes to the mystique of the monarchs.
When you understand the magnitude of the trip that this very fragile specimen made, you understand that the nature is really, really impressive.
The movement of the monarch butterfly may not be fully explained, but it remains fascinating to watch.